In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to advertise the best ways of CPA offers and affiliate marketing campaigns in 2026. And before we begin, guys, here's something interesting. The fact that you found this video through YouTube search already shows how powerful search marketing it really is. We use the same principles ourselves because when people search for something, they already have intent of it. And intent is what makes money, boys. Now, let's be honest. Most professional marketers rely on paid digital ads, Google ads, Meta ads, TikTok ads, and while these platforms work, there's one major problem. The moment you stop paying, the traffic disappears. But YouTube search works differently. If you rank the right keyword, your content can continue bringing traffic for months on end. Think about it. If someone searches best VPN, best AI tool, best crypto wallet, best trading platform, or even how to make money online, they're already interested in the topic. Their users often convert much better than cold traffic. That's why affiliate marketers and CPA are shifting toward YouTube search. The problem is that ranking on YouTube isn't easy at all anymore. Millions of creators optimize titles and descriptions. Everyone is doing basic SEO requirements. In reality, successful YouTube marketing usually comes down to these three things. First is a proper SEO optimization. Secondly, channel authority. And last but not least, effective promotion and distribution. And this is where tools like Ranksa come on in. Ranksa is built specifically for YouTube search marketing. The goal is simple: help businesses and marketers get visibly on YouTube search for target keywords. This can especially be useful for affiliate marketers looking to reach users actively searching for products and services. The first service is for people who already have a video. You upload your video like this, thumbnail, and targeting keywords. Their team then optimizes the campaign and launches it. As you can see here, screenshots of some of their channels are appearing right on screen right now. Many of these channels were created in 2006 to 2008, have millions of views and strong authority on YouTube. This authority can be valuable when competing on popular keywords like money, Fortnite, or anything else. And for affiliate marketers, this matters a lot because one video ranking on the right keyword can generate traffic, clicks, and commissions over a very long period of time. Another common question is, how long do rankings last? The answer depends on the keyword and competition. Generally, for keywords receiving around 10,000 searches per month, videos can often stay visible for on-end months. And if the content performs very well and keeps viewers engaged, visibly can last 3 months or even longer. The second service is even easier. If you don't have a video or thumbnail, simply provide a keyword. Their team handles everything from A to Z: script writing, video creation, thumbnail design, optimization, and publishing. If you don't have a video or thumbnail, simply provide a keyword. This is perfect for affiliate marketers who actually want to focus on scaling campaigns instead of creating content. Before starting a campaign, I highly recommend contacting Ranks.io sales through Telegram. Their team can explain keyword competition, expected timelines, and which service fits your goals best. Their Telegram contact is available on the website and in the description below. At the end of the day, one of the biggest advantages of YouTube search marketing is simple. Ads stop when you stop paying, but search traffic can continue bringing visitors long after campaign launches. If you want to learn more about Ranksa, check out the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, contact their sales team through Telegram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.